now to Moonwalk. So at this point, we should be comfortable knowing the difference between putting weight into our wheels and into our stops. We should be comfortable putting the weight into both toe stops and knowing the difference of the weight shift of going into all wheels and all toe stops. We should be in a very staggered stance. So the more surface area you're covering, the more balanced you'll feel. The closer your feet are together, the less balanced you feel. So we really want, when we're learning new moves and the Moonwalk requires this, make sure you're in a nice staggered stance. Our knees are always bent in this, but our ankle is going to be straightened when we start. So straighten the ankle, make a flat line right here, but keep a micro bend in the knee. You're gonna be on your toe stop on the back foot, and most of the weight is in the front foot. Now, you're going to be transferring the weight from the front foot to the back foot by pulling onto the toe stop, pulling this skate. You're gonna put the weight into the toe stop by dragging this front foot towards. Okay, when you do this, you're gonna straighten the knee. This one becomes bent, and then it switches. You're gonna go toe stop to wheels after you go to your toe stop on the back foot. Here, let's do that again. Start with the front foot in a micro bend. The foot that's got the toe stop down is always bent. You're gonna pull the weight from this foot here. You're gonna transfer it into the back foot toe stop, straighten the knee, and bring it as far back as you can reach. When it's as far as you can reach, you're gonna put the toe stop down, switch to the wheels, and then you're gonna do the same on this side. So the front foot, you're gonna straighten the knee while the weight's here in the back toe stop. You're gonna pull that front foot back as far as it will go while this one bends. And then you're gonna switch. Go to the toe stop on the back foot and the wheels on the front foot. I'm gonna turn around here for you. So start with the toe stop down. You're gonna drag the front foot past the back foot. Now the back foot has become the front foot, and you're gonna switch. Toe stop to wheels. Now this front foot, you're gonna straighten and pull back as far as it can go. Now the back foot's now the front foot in a nice knee bend, and you're gonna switch. Woo! Darn it. Make sure that your wheels or train tracks apart. They're not going into each other. So that's what I did right there. So back foot, toe stop is down. Front foot, you're gonna straighten. That takes the weight out of the front foot and puts it into the toe stop. Then you're gonna drag, pull back, and switch. Since I almost fell, I'm definitely gonna put my helmet on. All right, we're gonna start that moonwalk over again. So one foot is on the wheels and the one foot is on the toe stop. The wheels foot is the front foot. The toe stop is the back foot, so you're gonna start here. Okay, we're gonna transfer the weight from the front foot to the back foot, toe stop. You're gonna straighten the front foot knee, bring it all the way back as far as you can reach, and once you can't reach anymore, you're gonna switch front foot to wheels, back foot to toe stop. Do that again. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this direction, because I know this can be tricky, and you might wanna, every brain is totally different, so I'm used to breaking it down a few different ways for everyone. All right, so the back foot is gonna be on the toe stop here. The front foot is going to be in a nice knee bend to start out and on the wheels. So the weight starts on the front wheel, the front wheels. You put the toe stop down. Now you're gonna transfer the weight from the front foot to the back foot, straightening the front foot and rolling it back as far as you can go. Then you go toe stop and wheels and switch. Now the front foot, you're gonna straighten the knee, put the weight into the toe stop on the back foot, roll the front foot back and past the back foot, and then switch. I'm gonna do that again. Back foot toe stop down, front foot all wheels. Put the weight into the back foot while you rock the body weight from the front to the back. You're gonna straighten the front knee, bring it all the way back, and then switch. All right, hopefully we learned to moonwalk. Thanks so much for coming. Enjoy your night and the rest of your days.